Utica, New York, getting pounded by snow. Still got some time on a B36 video, so let's open up some more dudes. Real heroes, Gumball machine, army men, 50 cents a pop. Those are duplicates. Tan set is complete, green set almost complete, black set getting there, white set getting there, and those are the olive. I guess that's supposed to be a special forces camouflage, I don't know. But I had to get groceries and face the snow for a couple of days, so picked a couple up. And we've got a white machine gun dude. And already had one of those. Really hoping we land a green shotgun guy. Did my best not to look at these at all. Green medic. And yeah, we got a green medic. Into the duplicates. 2 down. 2 to go. White pistol dude. Nah, alright, we got one. Hey! Alright. White pistol dude. So I got all the pistol guys now. Awesome. One of my favorite poses. Although I think I like the binoculars guy best. And shotgun guy isn't anything to sneeze at either. But those pistol guys are cool. So, alright, score. So we're at price chopper. 1 more to go. Pulling these from a Gumball machine and price chopper in North Utica, New York. And another green machine gun guy. Where is that olive? Yeah, he's olive. But we already had one. And the quest continues. So, is that a complete... No, I still don't have a white binoculars guy. So, only the tan row is still complete. And we're getting there. Definitely a fan of these things. Let's take a closer look at the pistol dude. Because he's such a fantastic pose. I think some of them have China on them somewhere. Although I know the placard on the machine has made in China. Made in China. A hand-painted detail there on his face and his eyes. Interesting facial expression on the pistol dudes. He looks kind of annoyed. Black medic. Cool stuff. And we'll keep you updated on how it goes. Yo.